In today's video, I will show you exactly how to withdraw $10 from Blockbuster step by step. I will also show you my withdrawal request and the confirmed payment proof after it was approved. If you enjoy any app tutorials and payment proof, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel and join my Telegram community for more earning updates. Now let's get started. First, open the Blockbuster app and make sure you have up to the minimum withdrawal threshold. And for this Blockbuster app, the minimum withdrawal threshold is 100,000 gems. And before you can withdraw it to your bank account, you must withdraw it to your MetWallet. And me, I've withdrawn it to my MetWallet over here. So I'll just click on MetWallet. As you can see, it's loading. After that, and over here you can see I have $10. So I'll click on cash out. I've already inputted my bank details, so I'll click on, I will put the withdrawal amount I want, which is $10. I'll click on submit, and they ask me for my payment password, because before you make any withdrawal you must add your payment password. And as you can see, they said it will arrive within 7 working days, and it won't take up to the 7 working days. So let's wait for the money to arrive. Okay, as you can see, the money has arrived in my bank account. Look at it. The money has successfully arrived. Look at it, I received it, 12,864 naira. So let's go back to the app. Okay, so you can see the withdrawal is successful. So my withdrawal has been successfully approved, and the $10 has been successfully sent to my bank account. As you can see on the screen, I have received the payment successfully. This confirmed that the withdrawal process. Please note that this video is based on my personal experience using the app. I'm not guaranteeing that everyone will have the same experience. Always do your own research before using any platform. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and turn on notification so you will not miss future and update tutorials and payment proofs. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.